Okay, we're going to try solving these systems of equation by using elimination. But notice that a positive 2t and another positive 2t does not cancel out if we were to add these two equations. So what we need to do is we have to manipulate one of the equations so one of the variables can cancel out. Now the book uses a method called subtraction, but I actually find using too many negatives might confuse us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this whole entire equation by -1. And using distributive property, this will become a -2t. So I'm going to rewrite it here. I'm going to rewrite the same exact equation. And notice I use cursive writing for my letters so that I don't get them mixed up. My S's will look like 5, so I use cursive, and my T's look like plus signs, so I use cursive here. Okay, so we're going to do distributive property. And as a strategy, I recommend that you write across rather than down. Okay, so then we have -9s plus -2t now equals -22. Make sure you do distributive property all the way through. Do not forget the last number. Now we go ahead and add. 5s minus 9s gives you a -4s. And now we can cancel the two t's. And then we get -16. 6 minus 22 is -16. Go ahead and divide both sides by -4. S equals a +4. Okay. Now that's only part of the answer. We also need to find what t is, so I'm going to just go ahead and substitute it into the first equation right here. 5 times 4, because s is now 4, plus 2t. Again, use cursive so it doesn't look like an addition sign. Now we're just going to solve for our t. These again are multi-step equations, so if you're forgetting how to do multi-step equations, just check out the old other videos. Okay, we get -14, divide by 2, divide by 2. I'm just going to write the answer here. T equals -14. Now remember when we wrote the answers for x and y, the x always came before the y. But what if your variables are s and t? The rule is it's alphabetical order. S comes before t, therefore you write your answer as 4, -7. It's very important to remember the order, because if you reverse it, the answer will be wrong. So if it's not x and y, but you're using other variables such as s and t, just look at which order it is alphabetically. S comes before t, so 4, -7 is your answer. So if you were to graph these two equations, they will intersect at 4, -7. Okay.